Hello, 101.5 FM.
Yeah, I think that your TT amount for Bibri. Now I think that mostly UTAC and Ekasa. And UTAC Ekasa government into me my button review to all the things that UTAC is saying. It's like free for all. And UTAC Charles Mafu any penny for and Kasa. And then small more Kenyan. I think that a co-itia government in the sense that government arrange meeting say or say UTAC leaders no ebisha on bekono na government representatives anyhow. So even if there is a representative na akwakoye obia only the guts and I say only the power to take decisions on behalf of government. I think that Nina Akoso Ama. I think April this year, government UTAC catch government said so I'm really UTAC ever strike into May, June, July, your August, right? What I say, internet just say government enough time, but I think that government edi eniyama edi agro. So government never edi agro because me feel that government the goodwill even on the front of the universities was a goodwill no. Enti you best say government say ma sa goodwill no MPPA omon homodia say obeti na menye very sure so say UTAC aya chin say government bibi or the two tables bia no or very rejected. I don't believe that is the case. And the government any UTAC omontrasi and there should be a fair representation from government. Not government UTAC who say government take it serious. Na me sure say negotiations no kosono yebenya nsem no ni puma sibre because we share sisi na students no na suffer. In fact my so de bia ebu they keep on calling me asking me all kinds of questions but they do baby na also more ojuju omo ebu say obunya botre na me very sure say government ebe intervene and I'm sure say they will meet halfway na bibia akoso one. Also there are so many issues about basic number premium number research what I say number where things have stored book allowance there. I think the government is not even touching. It's all about the research and then the premium, the market premium. What I say for every 100 cities market premium 114 and also government etia but don't say I think that 2013 thereabout government FEZ single spine buy no and over FEZ from that time up to now there has not been any variation and UTAC say no government go back because the entry point of even electoral now before a year up to 2008 said or say drew $1,005 what I say and at time a single spine buy no with some calculations it could do 2084 I think the mills right good what I say 2084 say the value is about 973 I cannot drop one but also the previous government no they say apart from so FEZ the premium no also the dollar component if you hold on and so they have to look at the CD component before the dollar but first the dollar what I say now for time no the dollar will not change, it will be maintained what I say but CD component no and the BBR say what I say the lecturer is now worse off what I say because Kufo Eka said, or said the entry point should be 1,005 at that time. That's it, you could do 2,084. A man saying that I could do 973. What I say. So the lecturer is worth off. And now, say, basically, if it is not touched, what I say, now government, tries to give allowances. Those allowances, affect it, basic. And now, sika, you better tea. Area to war for that, say basically no is a tabia yana lusa. So you can so catch a government say on share honor so because sometimes with me Eddie be a cuisine because do have no say government emma non basic allowance to lecturers. What I say, it no affect the basic into the and affect you that say government ain't finding something possible be na won't be in cushion basic even if it's not part of the basic na you be at cry their for ne dachi be our retirement and also it may what I say and we be sa and a government area to area to government and but the research now I think the government did some roadmap at home. Also research about research allowance, if I put it that way, 1,005. Government did roadmap at home. You take 6,000 and a quarter. Government said by 2024. You take remember BAB drew 1,000 as an entry point. And the next from the CD component of 1,500. By 2024, now could do 1,000. Do you take 6,000 echo. Say no any the issues are what hopes is here. You know, ye say government intimi any you take entrance. After all, you take BB and have two on the table. You can do your a good negotiation. Now only you take akasa, you meet halfway. Na government on some more adding what I say. You take only so much powers in every government and you should find a way of discussing with UTAC. What I say, find a very nice way. Many in free UTAC meetings about call UTAC and Kokasa, the leadership and no more and Kokasa. What I say, after all, no Kokasa. Na Okasi Binase a Toma Asuma. May so say nka by now get new baby a yedri. What I say? Enti asam I adding. What I say? I adding. Also you speak for government and then you speak for me UTAC representative. What I say? But me a part of UTAC. Me UTAC ni. What I say? And the na ko ye bezipani kuna but as it is and I will say it me a canon. What I say? Because in the long run students na e be suffer. Na sa court mo de be me no mo anyade me nim odbako two sa efu sa on call because they were in negotiation not even the VCs and they came together omoni UTAC discuss I think that this week no nka ombetimi akase na yen kwotro exams because on grant at school they are doing nothing
o say na utie Professor Charles Manford ne sefa kan twetwe morning show no say na no na ko mo yesa okay
that is it
omo nya nwie ko mo nkran ntwe exams no but na ka marking no so ho na omo ye negotiation no ma hwe omo hwe ya no say pa labor commission court
ayo court do di ka court akwede court no ko hu obi anazo
is a UTAC so court omo through omo lawyers omo say omo court no set aside sa interrogatory injunction na fe so e ba sa dia na kese
because who said negotiations koso you tag a crowd you nani you any tabia no oko just recently ko ya no na government ni ho no sa bafo ewua no ono tabia oko but the last one ko the last but two or so ko ya na bafo kura ewua ni say government organize a meeting. What I say? I think say BBC no goodwill na government e wono. Omma sa goodwill no enkosoro emma form because the university strip omupem ko pe emma abontin strike just for strike sake. Sa market savia government got all 2018. So the negotiation is also market savvy. And you take 6 months. You tax it there. 6 months there would mean the amount 2 years. 2020 up to now to far. Oh, report bia M2 abontin. Say any I could do. And I said, say a yakoye no. Say any of ye. Na
market survey no. Agency bene.
I don't know. As at now.
Minister of Labor, Employment and Labor Relations.
I believe so.
And I'm compare best practices.
I think that is compare all harmonize it. What I say? Because
I'm the consultants.
It's possible because also premium no has stalled from 2014 up to now. I think over 7 years.
Since 2014.
Yes. And touchy. It's what I say. And dollar component, no, as I the city, no, people are now becoming worse off. And you
know, a bus in entry point in saying lecture room for entry in saying
entry point, you know, say, 2021 1,005 Ghana cedis.
1,005 for election.
Yes. And now no. Not $1,500.
Dollars, yes.
$1,500.
Yeah.
What I say? Then she said, drop 970.
This is your entry point, for a fresh lecturer near $900.
973. And two more by 6.
First 1,005.
5. And at time a single spine and buy a call 2,000. But a honor almost free premium no. Say and young catchment calling from that time up to now. And call name Otasia. Say 9 there about 9 7 there about almost by 6 5,400. Otasia, that's the entry point. Otasia. Because dollar component no everyone now they are looking at the city. What I say, dollar no you could just imagine say there will not be any need for this strike action. There will not be any need.
But say, Matthias.
Hello, 101.5 FM.